In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch proofing language per text box in PowerPoint. This is especially useful if your slides include multiple languages or if you're working with content from different regions and need accurate spell check and grammar suggestions for each section. The process is quick, and once you know it, you can apply it confidently across your presentation. Start by selecting exactly where you want the language to change. If you want the entire text box to use a different language, click once on the text box border to select the whole box. If you only want part of the text to change, click inside the box and highlight just the specific words or sentences. Being precise here is important because the changes you make will apply only to what you've selected. Next, go to the Review tab on the PowerPoint ribbon. This is where PowerPoint keeps tools related to spelling, grammar, and language. Look for the Language button and choose Set Proofing Language. This opens the language dialog, where you can decide how PowerPoint should proof your selected text. From the list, choose the language you want PowerPoint to use for spell check and grammar on that selection. If there are regional variants, pick the one that matches your content, such as US or UK English, or the specific variant of the language you need. Choosing the correct variant helps ensure the right dictionary and rules are used. Before you confirm, look for the option labeled "Do not check spelling or grammar." Make sure this is unchecked if you want PowerPoint to actively check the selected text. If that box is checked, PowerPoint will skip spell check and grammar entirely for your selection, which can hide errors. If you ever notice that no underlines appear for obvious mistakes, this setting is often the reason. Click OK to apply your choice. This change affects only the text you selected, and that's the power of this method. If you have other text boxes or additional portions of text in different languages, simply repeat the same steps for each area you want to adjust. You'll typically see red or blue underlines adjust to the new language rules, which is a good sign that the proofing language is active. To recap, select the exact text or text box, go to Review, choose Language, click. Set Proofing Language. Pick your desired language. Ensure. Do not check spelling or grammar is unchecked if you want proofing, and click OK to apply it to that selection. With this approach, you can keep multilingual slides accurate and polished, one text box at a time.